Hello, boys and girls. Here again. Let us unboxing some Kinder eggs, surprise eggs. Let us begin with the first one. I will take the first one. It's the green one. The green one have a smiling face. It's for Halloween. That's the newest Halloween eggs. And we got also a black one. Oh, what for beautiful monster egg it's that one. Looking there, what for beautiful eyes and what for smiling face. Then we get a yellow one. Oh, it's also beautiful. Look in this duck face. How many eyes and so beautiful in yellow. That's the Kinder Surprise eggs for Halloween. So, we will begin with the green one. Let us see what's inside. There's a description in many languages. Then we have a download free Magic Kinder app when you want. For Halloween. Oh, look at that, a comic. Oh, this one inside. I think so, that's like a ball. Okay, let's just see what it is. Oh yes, you can squeeze it, touch it. He can fly. I think so. That's a flying duck. That's for Halloween, a flying duck. It's the first one in the green. It's a beautiful monster, so sweet and cute. Now let us see what's in the black one inside. Oh, we have the same. So, also a description in many languages. Then we have also this one from Kinder, download for free with the comic. And let's open. Oh, look. Aha, you can hang it out also on when you go to school or to the kindergarten. You can hang it on and it will be glowing in the night. Yeah, the glowing face. So the face of this little sweet cute monster is glowing. In the night he will glow. And now we will take the yellow one with the much smiling faces. Let us see what's there inside. Also a monster. So that's again the description in many languages. Then we have also download for free Magic Kinderegg, the comic on the behind side, and oh, that's the other one. He's also sweet and cute. Look, he has got beautiful ears and so cute feet. He comes with space bag. Oh, look at this. He's so sweet. Look at this. What for sweet feet. And oh, that's not ears. He can fly. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? He's so sweet. And now we have 3 beautiful, cute, sweet monsters in the Halloween eggs from Kinder and the surprise eggs from Kinder. So kids, boys and girls, that was our unboxing of the Halloween surprise eggs from Kinder, and let us see to the next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Till next time!